The message of GGC is that everybody's a hero. Everybody has the power in them to ignite good, to go out there and be a change maker in the community, that everybody can use their talent and their heart to ignite good in the world. And I love being a part of that and helping kids figure out what that is. I am a global game changer.
I am a global game changer.
I pledge to do something to ignite good every day.
I pledge to do something to ignite good every day.
Seeing students get that aha of, even though I'm little, I can help out. I have a talent. I am passionate about something. And hearing kids talk about that both in the class and out of the class, to me is very impactful. Follow me, follow me. Oh, y'all coming in perfect, Miss Hannah's class. And we're gonna talk about how can we be superheroes, and we're gonna earn our health badge. I wonder what Mr. Graves means when he says health. Oh, broccoli is a vegetable. Broccoli is absolutely healthy. Oh, can you say it a little bit louder, Aya? Oh, I can't hear you, Aya. We can do better than that.
Exercise.
I can exercise. We're gonna stretch all the way up. 1, 2, 3. Oh, y'all are perfect. Sit back down, sit back down, sit back down, sit back down. When you get home, when you see someone that has a healthy habit, someone that's doing something healthy, you're gonna give your medal to them that you made for them, because you're so happy that they were being healthy. If I have a crayon and somebody else needs one, someone tell me a way that I can get them. I can ask nicely about it. Very good. Tristany, do you know, can you help the kindergartners out with the superhero equation?
Is it your talent?
Yes.
Plus your heart?
Yes.
Equals your superpower.
Perfect. I will help make the world a better place for everyone.
I will everyone.
I can't hear you. I will help make the world a better place for everyone.